Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jonte and this is The Kid in the City. If this is your first time, welcome. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, welcome back. We are getting into another haul. So again, I already did my Ulta haul, my Shein Shades haul, and I want to get into more hauls and just like products that I get and things that I just buy, because baby, one thing I like to do is shop. So I went to Sephora. We are back with another Sephora haul. We are getting into some products, into some things, and these are all new products. So again, when I do these hauls, I don't want to do products that I've already featured in my other videos and things like that. These are going to be new products. So we are jumping into it. Let's go ahead and get into some things. If you want to see the goodies that I got, stay tuned. Makeup makes me happy. So of course new makeup makes me happy. So I'm just gonna reach into the bag, and as I grab stuff, I'm just gonna go from there. I wonder if I have my receipt. And one thing about me, whenever I'm using a new product, I'm always gonna keep my receipt until I use it, because if I don't like it, baby, it's going right back. Okay. So the first thing, okay, so this is the Milk Makeup, the Hydro Grip Primer. I haven't used this in a really long time, but when I was at Sephora, I was like, you know what, my one size primer is running out, and I don't mind the one size primer, but I like a very tacky kind of primer, like sticky, because I have oily skin. So the Hydro Grip is a fool when it comes to that. So I decided, you know, let me just go ahead and get the full size. So this is the first thing that I got, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is the 1.52 fluid ounce. And the cost for this was $38. Again, I had a whole bunch of Sephora points, so I didn't pay full price for these, but this is $38, and this was our first goodie that we got from Sephora. It's an oldie but goodie. If you know, you know. The next thing, ooh, so I was really excited about this. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance eyeshadow palette. So I have a few palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Of course, I have, my favorite is the Jackie Aina one, the collab they did with her. But I saw this and I need an eyeshadow palette that has like darker colors, like more burgundies, things like that. So when I saw this, I got really excited and I got it. Let me find the price. The price for this was $55. But let's get into it. Oh honey, I'm so excited about this palette. Oh, the girls are pretty. Oh, okay, so these are the colors on this palette, and again, it's a fall romance. So you have a nice deep green right here. I love this purple. This is like a, it's not, I guess it's a black, it's like a charcoal more to me, but this palette is super pretty. Of course, this purple is like the shining star I feel in this palette, but super pretty. And then they have some really nice shimmers. So this is a beautiful lavender. I don't know if you can see, this is like a lavender shimmer. Love, it's super pretty. I'm really excited to use this palette. I have a birthday dinner that I'm going to on Sunday, so I'll probably be using this, and I definitely will be doing a review of this palette for sure. It's so pretty. Moving on. Oh, okay, so I've been seeing a lot of pink setting powders and I wanted to kind of get into it. I know a lot of people used one size, but when I was on TikTok looking at pink setting powders, a lot of people were raving about the Huda Beauty one. So I went and got this. It's the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. This was $38 and it's her pink one. So I'm just gonna open her up. I'm also excited about this too. Bro, I do not be like, I'm the type of person, I just be ripping stuff open. Like, I don't know how to open stuff. Here we go. So again, Huda Beauty, it's pink and I'm really excited about it. I've heard really good things about all of their setting powders, but I don't know if you can see this, but it is pink. It's a pink powder. So I'm actually super excited to get into this. And again, the brown girls are saying the pink powder is good. So, you know, I'm going for the grills. But yeah, I'm excited for this. So this is another one that I'm super excited about. I will probably also be doing a review on this and wearing it on Sunday. Sunday is going to be a heavy review day, clearly. Okay, so I did want to get a new concealer brush. The one I have is okay, but I decided to get the Sephora Pro Brush Concealer. This is the number 57. And let's see, it says use with liquids, creams, or sticks. Do not use with powders. Best for buffing and blending. And it says how to use circular buffing motions to blend and cover imperfections. I really love how they have like what to use it with and how to use it on the side. So that's also very beginner friendly if you're just like, you know, adding to your like makeup collection and figuring it out and learning along the way. I think this is a great thing for any type of brand to do, to give you the instructions, how to use it, what it's used for. The fact that it says like do not use with powder, shout out to them, because you get to mixing stuff and who knows. Let me pull the brush out and let's see, this brush was $22. And again, damn, it's just a nice, it's a really nice brush. Super focused. My camera is trying to focus on me instead of the brush. But love, 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 love. I'm gonna put it back in the box just because I haven't added it yet. But super excited for that. I got some good stuff. Okay, now I have a Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Hush Pink. So I got another lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in my Ulta haul. But this one I saw and it was super pretty. So this is the shade, if you can see. If you can see, it's gorge. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And that's the color that we have. And I think it'll be really pretty with a brown liner, really pretty with a gloss over top of it. It is a matte lipstick, but when I saw the color, I was like, oh, I'll probably put that one of my Fenty glosses over it. But super, super pretty. Yeah, this is really pretty. I'm really excited about this one too. I'm just excited about everything new. Let's just go ahead and put that out there. If it's new, I'm excited about it. Okay, so I got another lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. Oh, I'm sorry, the lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills was $23. Okay, now I got another gloss from Fenty Beauty. So this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I got the shade Sweet Mouth, which, love the name. But this is another little shimmer, another nude shimmer shade. I'm gonna put it on the back. So comes out a little creamy, but it's still like a sheer gloss, which I feel like you can't have enough glosses, but Also, different glosses are for different intention, right? Like if you want to add a little bit of color to the lip, if you just want just the lip by itself, like, so I'm always gonna have a gloss. Love this. And this gloss was $21. Love, love, love. Let me put that with my other glosses. Okay, perfect. So I am trying out a new concealer. Of course, my ride or die is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Mocha. But I wanted a new concealer, so I've heard a lot of good things about Haus Labs as well as Makeup by Mario. But I decided to go with the Haus Labs, just talking with the girl in Sephora. So this is the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Concealer Corrector. This of course is Lady Gaga. So this is infused with 20+ skincare ingredients. This clean concealer brightens and covers with a weightless serum like texture that blends seamlessly for a hyper smooth second skin finish. Okay, I got the shade 34 medium golden, and I loved it when I swatched it in the store. So again, Haus Labs packaging, super cute. And then the shade, oh, and this is the concealer shade, if you can see that. So I'm definitely excited to use this too. Again, I'll probably be using this on Sunday. Sunday is gonna be a new face, honey. Do you hear me? But yeah, super excited about this. And this concealer was $32. Love, love, love. And let's see how big it is, how much product you get. I threw it away. It's 0.24 fluid ounces. But I'm really excited to get into this. Okay, so the next we have, I got a new bronzer. So this is the Glowish by Huda Beauty Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I can't talk. Let's try that again. This is the Glowish by Huda Beauty Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. And this is in the shade 05 Rich. It says buildable tan, seamless application, velvet finish, and I'm here for it. Let's open her up too. Now this is so pretty. Ouch, oh my god, this is really pretty. So this is the packaging, love, but look at the inside of this. Like, I hope y'all can see the swirls that this is giving. Like, this just looks like chocolate, right? Like, hold on, let me see if you can see it. It's just those like little, yeah, she's got some dimensions in there, okay? Yeah, I'm super excited about this one. I'm really excited about this because I have the Glowish pressed powder in 13 extra rich that I use for my contour, but I just wanted something that would add a little more warmth into the skin, and I wanted to use like a bronzer. I wanted to find a good warm bronzer, so I feel like this is perfect. Like, this is exactly what I was looking for. Super, super excited for this. Oh, I'm sorry, and this was $31. Okay, so I've worn this before, but I just got another one. So this is the Fenty Beauty Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. I usually use this for my hands because I use like shea butters for like my body. But I usually just have this like in my purse for lotion in my purse, or like lotion in my car. Again, like it's thick, baby. Baby, one thing about Rihanna, she gonna give you quality. She gonna give you all the product that she can, okay? but that's pretty self-explanatory. It's just the butter drop. So I really always keep this in my purse, in my car, you know, because the girls can be ishy. Hold on, let me smell it. I mean, it smells pretty regular. There is a small fragrance to it, but it's not like a fragrance. But it's still, I love it. I've used it 1,000 times. And this was $24. And the last thing is I did get another lip. So this is the Sephora brand, and this is the Sephora lipstick in the shade 01. This is their satin lipstick. It's the shade 01 Never Ending. Yeah, so we're gonna get into her. How am I supposed to open this, bro? Like, what? Ugh. Ah! Okay. So this is the shade. It is, again, super pretty. I'm always gonna go for like a satin finish. That's gonna be my preference. And this is how she looks. This is the shade. Super pretty. Super pretty. I would definitely probably line that with the brown liner too. I feel like a brown liner, like you really can't go wrong. So that's the shade that I got. The Sephora lipstick, and Sephora has a lot of good products. Like, let's not sleep on the Sephora products. I know it's so easy to go into Sephora and go to the NARS and the Charlotte Tilbury's and all that, but Sephora's line is really good. Their brushes are really good. Sephora's products, don't sleep on Sephora's products. Let me see, this was $15, the cheapest thing. And 9 times out of 10, it is going to be more affordable. But shout out to Sephora. Love this lipstick color. Super excited to use this too. But yeah, that is it for my haul. You know, the girls had to go and do a little shopping, honey. One thing about me, I'm trying to do better, but I really do enjoy shopping. Like, I really enjoy it. Look, I'm already putting stuff in my vanity. That's it. I really do enjoy shopping. I love new products. And like I said, I have a birthday dinner to go to, excuse me, on Sunday. So I know a lot of these products are going to be used on Sunday for like the first time. And I'm really excited to test everything out. Of course, I know I'm going to do a review on the Huda Beauty pink powder and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I know I'll be doing reviews on those because those are the products that I'm most excited about. But yeah, again, that's it, honey. We just had to come with a little haul, you feel me? But again, do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And thank you so much for your time. I love, you know, sitting down and just having a time with the girls, honey. So thank you so much for tuning in. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.